If you're someone who frequently uses an iron, you know how frustrating it can be to have burnt residue stuck to the bottom. But did you know that you can use a simple household item to remove the burnt residue? Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about a paracetamol tablet. Here, I have an expired Neozep tablet contains paracetamol. Instead of disposing it, it can be repurposed for a useful task. Here's what you need to do. First, plug in your iron and set it to the highest temperature. Wait for it to heat up properly before moving on to the next step. Next, take a paracetamol tablet and place it on the burnt residue. Be sure to apply it directly to the burnt area that you want to remove. Using the tablet as a scrubber, gently rub the burnt residue. The paracetamol will start to break down the burnt residue, making it easier to remove. Just be extra careful while doing this, as the iron is hot. Use a cloth or gloves to protect your hands. Once you've scrubbed off the burnt residue, use a tissue or a piece of cloth to wipe the iron clean. Make sure to wipe off any remaining residue or particles. A clean iron without the need for expensive cleaning products.
If you found this video helpful, we would greatly appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified of our latest uploads. Thanks for watching!